Hello everyone. Today topic is powers and exponents. Chapter 11. Write the following in exponential form using prime factorization. First one 2500, second one 1296, third one 8000, fourth one 6300. First we will do this prime factorization method. We will see the answers. So first one 2500. Now 2500. What is the first prime number? 2. You take 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4. Carry 1. 2 5 ja 10. 0. Now 2 6 ja 12. Now 2 2 ja 4. Carry 1. 2 5 ja 10. So 625 divided by 2 is not possible. And 3 is not possible. And next prime number is 5. So 5 1 ja 5. Carry 1. 5 2 ja 10. Carry 2. 5 5 ja 25. 5 2 ja 10. Carry 2. 5 5 ja 25. Now 5 5 ja 25. Last ending with prime number. So 2500 equal 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. How to write that exponential form? Now 2 into 2, how many times repeat again? 2 times. That called 2 square. So 5 how many times repeat again? 4 times. That called 5 power 4. Now 2500 exponential form is 2 square into 5 power 4 with we can use that prime factorization method. Second one 1296. First you take the prime number 2. Now 2 6 are 12. 2 4 are 8. Carry 1. 2 8 are 16. Now 2 3 are 6. 2 2 are 4. 2 4 are 8. 2 1 are 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 2 are 4. 2 8 are 16. 2 1 are 2. So 81 divided by 2 is not possible, and you can take the 3 prime number. 3 2 are 6. 3 7 are 21. Now 3 9 are 27. 3 3 are 9. Ending with prime number. So 1296 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That called 2 power 4. How many times repeat again? 4 times. That called 2 power 4. 3 how many times repeat again? 4 times. That called 3 power 4. So 1296 exponential form equal 2 power 4 into 3 power 4. We can use prime factorization method. Now third one 8000. 8000. 2 4 are 8. 0 0 0. Now 2 2 are 4. Now 2 2 are 4. 0 0 0. Now 2 1 are 2. 0 0 0. 2 5 are 10. Now 0 0. 2 2 are 4. Carry 1 0. Now 250. 2 1 are 2. 2 2 are 4. Carry 1. 2 5 are 10. So 125 divided by 2 is not possible, and 3 also not possible. So you can take that 5. 5 2 are 10. 5 5 are 25. Now 5 5 are 25. Ending with prime number. So 8000 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 2, how many times repeat again? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times repeat again? 5, 3 times. So that called 2 power 6 into 5 power 3. Now 8000 exponential form is 2 power 6 into 5 power 3. We can use that prime factorization method. Now fourth one 6300. Now first you take first prime number 2. 2 1 2 3 is 6. 2 1 is 2. Carry 1. 2 5 is 10. 0. 2 1 is 2. Carry 1. 2 5 is 10. Carry 1. 2 7 is 15. Carry 1. 2 5 is 10. So 1575 divided by 2 is not possible. And one more prime number 3. 3 5 is 15. 3 2 is 6. 3 5 is 15. Now 3 1 is 3. Carry 2. 3 7 is 21. Carry 1. 3 5 is 50. So 175 divided by 2 is not possible. So another prime number 5. 5 3 is 15. 5 5 is 25. Now 5 7 is 35. 7 is prime number. So ending with prime number. Now 6300 equal 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7. Now 6300 equal 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7. So 2 is how many times repeat again? 2 times. That called 2 square. 3 how many times repeat again? 2 times. That called 3 square. 5 how many times repeat again? 2 times. That called 5 square. Into 7 is only 1 time. That called 7 power 1. So 6300 equal 2 square into 3 square into 5 square into 7 power 1 is exponential form. We can use factorization method.
Thank you everyone. Please share, subscribe my channel.